I thought I'd run through a little demo of the display. This is a 2x16 display that really adds a lot of flexibility to programming in the way of user interface. So let me start by resetting, and you'll see the default message come up here. It tells me what program I have, which is Super Sequencer. You can see a little smiley face at the end there, and that smiley face is just one of the programmable characters that I thought to put in just to give it a little bit of flavor. So after it resets, it comes up, and I've got a display here. It says start is sequence and stop is setup. So I'll walk through the stop menu, and that says I'm currently set to 16 steps, and I'll modify that. So we'll click the stop and play with the one of the controls here. Set it for 12 steps. Start accepts that, goes to the next. I want to run ordered. I can also run random, but I'll select ordered. These are the programmable gates. So gate 1 high is set at step 8. I will go ahead and change that, so the stop switch to modify it, and I'll run that down and start that on step 1. Accept that. I'm going to set gate 2 low on step 13. Now this is only a 12-step sequence, so that'll force the gate high whenever it's running and off when it's not. I'll use that to control one of my VCAs. Go on here to gate 2, and I'll just leave that, but you could modify them the same way. That's set up for high on step 5 and low on step 1 when it wraps around. MIDI offset is 36, so I'll add 3 octaves to whatever the notes are. And then here I can go into the sequence, or I can set the levels. I'll select set the levels. So step 1 is set to an F0. Let me turn that up to an A0. Accept that. I won't change any others, but you can just kind of walk through the notes that I've got set up here. So we'll go through the sequence, and when I get back here, it asks me if I want to set them again or start. At this point, I will just go ahead and start. I don't really like the way that gate's working, so let me stop it and go back. I'll accept, keep ordered. This gate 5 I'm going to change, so let me set that to step 9. Accept, we'll go low on 1, keep everything else the same. I don't need to set the levels. So I'm using gate 1 to control the VCA. I'm using gate 2 actually to FM the low frequency oscillator that I'm clocking this with. Anyway, just wanted to give a quick little demo of the display and kind of the capability you can add to a PSIM with having a much better user interface to kind of set menus and variables and the like.